and my grandma said it was a good idea to put me back on tether because I was doing so good. And I'm in school now, and I have to pay these fines. I have to pay these fines off to Miss what's her name, Miss Fresh Hour, and I would like to be put on tether again. I would like to get another
Judge Fresh Hour.
Yes, I have to pay that before the 10th, or they're going to put a warrant out for me. That's the only reason why I'm asking if you could please place me back on tether. I would do good, and I have.
Today, we're diving into a courtroom battle full of tension, deadlines, and real-life consequences. Ashley Hines Walden is scrambling to clear her driver's license, juggling bureaucracy, hefty fines, and personal accountability. On the other side, Mr. Scott is back in court fighting for a chance at freedom after bond violations, with the weight of tragedy and financial pressure hanging over him. This is a case where paperwork, timing, and human error collide, and every moment could tip the balance. Stick around because the courtroom twists ahead are anything but predictable.
Ashley Hines Walden.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Simba Basie on behalf of Ashley Hines Walden. Ms. Walden, there, could you please unmute your full name for the record?
Oh,
Ashley Hines Walden.
Okay, she's here. All right. What are we doing on this?
Yes, Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a pretrial. There was an offer on the table for her to clear up her license and admit to double parking. I have not been able to reach her, so I don't know where she is with that. Ms. Hines Walden, were you able to clear up your license?
Actually, so here's the problem. I am able to clear my license, but I was born in North Dakota and I didn't have my birth certificate. They're requesting my birth certificate. And so I had to send it out by the mail, and they said it'll be 7 to 10 days. But I should have everything done and cleared up because I had to pay for a reckless driving like $500. And I paid that. So everything should be cleared up if I could just have another 2-week adjournment, and I won't ask again, Your Honor. I know you've been really lenient with me, but I can't afford to get another driving while license suspended. So if you could please do that.
Boy, she just took off and ran.
She covered all the bases.
I've been practicing.
You made my job easy.
It came out nothing like I practiced either, by the way. So.
Oh, I see. It came out very well, I guess. We all know she was born in North Dakota, and so you're just waiting on your birth certificate so you can go get your license.
Correct.
Okay. When did you try to get that? Do you know?
So I went, this was actually 3 weeks ago. But it took me a week to get, I shouldn't, it was my fault. I procrastinated, but it should be in the mail now, actually.
Yeah, we know it's your fault, but yeah. So I'm just trying to figure out how much time to try to give you so that you can get it done.
So honestly, if you could give me another 2 weeks, I would, everything will be set and done by then.
Who believes her? Oh, yeah, Q believes her. Oh, you believe her. Okay, Mr. So everybody's in agreement.
Well, four weeks might be safer, but
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That would be safer, and but if you could do that, I'm not opposed to that either. So.
Oh, so
no objections.
I'm the defense attorney and the prosecutor on the same case. Well, bless it.
Yeah.
Right, I was like, is he the prosecutor? The defense,
Okay, Ms. Hines Walden, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn your case to July 19th. We'll give you time. Mail from North Dakota is slow. At 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care. On the Barrage Scott matter, and so that everything can be explained in full and everything hopefully worked out. There's a request to adjourn these matters. I will only adjourn them out to 10 days and not the 3 weeks. So I'll adjourn them to May 16th, 2023, 9 a.m. Esteban.
Your Honor, I have spoken with Mr. Scott in this matter, and we discussed the last bond violation. I don't know if the court has found out what date that was. I still don't have anything about it. But Mr. Scott believed that was when he was in the hospital and he had to walk home. So he is asking this court to put him back untethered. And he said he has been having some problems with the tether. But basically, he does believe that was when he was in the hospital.
Here's where things get legally tricky. Mr. Scott is trying to get back on Tether, which is essentially electronic monitoring, but the court is digging into the details of his alleged violations. The judge is emphasizing that timing is everything. When he was hospitalized, when community corrections recorded the violations, and whether he truly had an opportunity to pay fines. This is a classic example of how procedural details, the exact date something happened, even down to which office logged it, can make or break a case. And notice the human element. Mr. Scott's pleading about his nephew's death and his schooling adds layers of emotional weight, but legally, the court has to balance compassion with the rule of law. So we have a tension between empathy and procedure, a moment that really tests the judge's discretion and the audience's sense of fairness. What would you do if you were in the judge's seat?
Well, he believes that's when it was in the house, when he was in the hospital, or he's
Well-
sure of that? I'm looking.
He's sure, he knows he was in the hospital, but we're unsure what date the community corrections violation.
Has anybody contacted community corrections
No,
regarding its violation?
no, I have not.
Okay, so what I'm going to suggest that you do is contact community corrections, ask them to give you the dates of the violations, because they're the ones that would have called it in. And then maybe, and also then where they picked up the violation, which may then fit into the sequence that Mr. Scott's giving you.
Okay,
All right. But at this time, and I've kind of set it on a short time frame because of I know you're trying to resolve things. So I'm going to deny the motion for bond reduction. His bond will continue, but he's back here real soon. And you can look into the community corrections thing, the hospitalization and the like, and tie that all up. All right?
Mr.
Thank you.
Simpson, can I say something, Mr. Simpson, please? If
I've
it's
probably
okay.
never been able to stop you, but go ahead, Barash.
Listen, Simpson, please listen to me. Please, I know you.
I always listen to you, Barash.
I know.
Always.
Listen, I'm asking for tether because the reason why I'm asking for tether, I don't know if you know, but my little nephew just got, he just died in Oklahoma, man, and like he got hit by a car or whatever. And my grandma said it was a good idea to put me back on tether because I was doing so good, and I'm in school now, and I have to pay these fines. I have to pay these fines off to Miss what's her name, Miss Fresh Hour, and I would like to be put on tether again. I would like to get
Mean
another.
Judge Fresh Hour?
Yes, I have to pay that before the 10th, or they're gonna put a warrant out for me. That's the only reason why I'm asking the people, please place me back on tether. I would do good, and I have been doing good. I didn't get no violations until that time. Can you please give me one more chance today? So I can,
Mr.
please.
Scott, Mr. Scott,
Yes, sir.
two things there. I'm sure that if Judge Fresh Hour knows that you were incarcerated at the time and couldn't pay the fines off, there's not going to be significant ramifications from that.
Yeah, but I'm.
That's the first thing. The second thing is that if you listen real close to what I said to counsel,
Uh-huh.
and what I said is I didn't put your date out to the 25th, which I normally would have done. I put it for the 16th
Uh-huh.
so that they can try to work things out. They got to talk to you about some things so that hopefully this can all get resolved. The other thing that I just said to your attorney
Mhm.
is to try to you've told your attorney what happened that day.
Uh-huh.
They need to check with community corrections, pinpoint when the violation occurred so that I'm looking at a full picture of what happened.
But do you think? Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then once I can see that, then I can make a decision on your request.
Well, do you think you don't, is you mad at me or are you mad at me? Because like, it seems like you're mad
Mr.
at me.
Mr. Scott,
Uh,
and am I mad at you?
I don't know. I don't want you to be.
Okay, Mr. Scott, I'm not mad at you. Usually people know if I'm mad at them,
Yeah. But
okay? And I don't know that we could have this conversation if I was mad at you. Your
Yes, sir.
attorneys will tell you that,
Yes, sir. I'm just asking.
okay?
I was just asking because if I have to pay rent and I won't have no place to stay. That's why.
Okay, Mr. Scott, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
I know all of that. The last time that you were in and I let you out, well, the last 2 times, you told me the same things
I know.
in terms of a lot of it.
I know.
And I took a chance, I let you out.
Can you take?
I'm not saying that I won't do that, but I don't have a full story of what happened.
I'll tell you what happened. This is what happened. Listen to
Okay,
me real
all right,
quick.
Mr. Scott,
Can I
Mr.
tell
Scott, I know you're gonna tell me what happened.
Please.
I don't have a problem listening to you, but by the time you get done telling me, I'm gonna be at the same spot.
I know. I just want to tell you look. I just want to tell you this so you understand. I went to the hospital on the 17th. I was in the hospital on 4/17.
Raj,
Yes.
I think you might want to let it go today.
So I'm not getting. I mean, can I get a PR bond or anything? If that's okay. I mean, I would really like to be out because I want another chance to be out, Mr. Simpson. Please, can you do this one last time? And I won't.
Mr. Scott,
Yes.
you said that exact thing to me the last time I let you out.
I know, but
Okay, just listen, Mr. Scott, just listen,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
I'm not gonna have a problem, but your attorney needs to check something
Hmm.
and try to verify what you're telling them and the court.
Okay.
Once I see that, I'm gonna make a decision. Now, I think you know about me.
I know.
I'll be fair with you,
I know.
and I know you know that.
I know you were the
So,
nicest.
and you know, unless I know everything that I possibly can, I'm not making a decision.
Yeah, I know you the nicest judge in the world, so I don't got nothing to say about that.
Okay, all right. Mr. Scott,
Yes, sir.
we'll see you the 16th. They'll get the information to me and maybe something will change, maybe it won't. But at worst, we'll see you on the 16th.
All right.
Thank you. And I'm not mad at you.
All right.
Your Honor, and I would
Okay.
ask Mr. Ganacho to just keep the offer that he made open.
As we wrap up, this case illustrates the delicate dance of courtroom decisions. Ashley Hines Walden navigated bureaucratic hurdles to clear her license, while Mr. Scott faced a challenge of reconciling past violations with present responsibilities, including financial obligations and personal tragedies. The judge's approach, setting precise timelines, requiring verification from community corrections, and balancing fairness with legal duty, shows how the system attempts to maintain both accountability and humanity. These cases remind us that courtroom outcomes aren't just about guilt or innocence. They're about procedure, timing, and the human stories behind the filings. If you found this courtroom drama compelling, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into real-life legal battles that reveal the stakes behind every ruling.